If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezeanumba the First, Metal of Ebeonadi 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebeonadi 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp
080-6579-6599. Greatest Nigerian students. If you are not saying great, then you don't understand the conversation, as students, because if this should be a higher institution, you see that this place now, there will be earthquake here, the way people will respond. So when I say greatest Nigerian students, yes, it's nice having the Hello. As I'm number the first, Metal. I'm standing before you now. So what I'm here to do is to talk to you. Hello. If I could ask you a question now, who are you? Who are you? That's all you are. You are more than a student. The thing is, self-discovery is when you know exactly why you are here on earth, not just about being a student. When you will know exactly your mission here on earth. So if I should ask you, what is your mission on earth? What would be your answer? What is your mission on earth? Just one person. What is your mission on earth? One person. Let me hear. What will you be doing in vision end? You don't know. So that's if I ask you, what can you do? Aside from just the fact that you're a student, you should know one or two things. Maybe you can act, maybe you can sing, and all of that. A lot of people have these skills, but don't know that they have them in the first place. Are you getting me? So, Ebeonadi 103.5 FM is giving you an opportunity to discover yourself, and that's why I'm standing here. The opportunity is, we are giving you the opportunity to produce both radio drama for people in drama, people who are actors. We are giving you opportunity to engage in debates, meaningful debates, like if you are a student and that's your passion to debate. We'll give you that opportunity. We are giving you opportunity. If anything you can do at all, that's why I'm standing here now. So, there will be a logistics to it, registration that you must do to become part of it in the first place. So, but once you do, we'll get you involved in the production, produce it, your names will be announced once it's aired. Whatever you're doing in it, an opportunity, and that's all I have come to talk to you about. Like, it is an opportunity for you to discover who you are. Even before you get into the higher institution, you know exactly what you want to do. It is an added advantage. It is an opportunity for you now to pick up from here. So that said, it is a book authored by me. It is called Hip Hop and Culture. I discovered that one thing we need is, how many people here can tell me about slave movement? Do you know anything about it? No. Anybody understand slave movement? Do you know anything about Atlantic slave movement? Slave movement. reason why we need to call them here. The world, Oyibo si wepụta. Oyibo. When you know anything about it. Oyibo. Now, it is during the slave movement, where Anna Atokasam mother around here, and late Ifeanyichukwu towards the Western world and everything. The reason why there are black people in the Western world today, some of them are your brothers and sisters in one way or the other. So, you want to make any now, and 80 no price in this only go balloon more na the slave market. So
if you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo Maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezeanumba the First, Metal of Ebeonadi 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebeonadi 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp
080-6579-6599. But because no man somewhere in Igbo, or say Oyibo, that's how the word Oyibo came out. So you need this book to understand your history, to understand where we're coming from and where we are supposed to be headed to on a very good day. So I spoke to you now about the issue of discovering yourself as a person, and secondly, this book. Thank you very much. I remember Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. If you have anything to ask me, I'm here.
Can we applaud him? Please, there is never how someone can come to talk to you, you will not react. You should be able to say something positively, or there are things, when you ask questions, you learn more. He has spoken to you about talent, right? That you can even have a debate on air, like we had the debate we had the other day. It's possible we just bring out our best, and these students, you go play and you represent the image of the school, and you could imagine what it would be, not just to the school, but to you as a person and to your parents. Is that clear? And he also spoke to you about the origin. Most often people don't know their origin. Is that clear? All the Igbo people, all of us, we came from this Anambra state. And which local government is elected? All the Igbo people from this Anambra state. That is where we came from. And he's just trying to tell you, if you buy this book, you learn more about the history. He has just said something about Oyibo that we are mentioning. That these people, in order to say Oyibo, as in, because if people buy slaves that are Igbo people, they make a lot of money because Igbo people are talented, they are skillful. Most of them, he's telling you about the transatlantic slave. During the time when we are buying a lot of Africans as slaves, they ship them and take them to Europe, take them to a lot of continents, and we are working in the sugarcane plantation. Yes, you've heard about this now. A lot of people from Arochukwu, have you heard of Arochukwu? Known as one of the powerful places where they steal people. What they do is they go and hide. Sometimes in the night, sometimes when people are going to fetch water, they will carry a bag, they will cover the face, and they can use hand, and it makes you to be unconscious, and they will capture you. They will go and sell to the white people. From there, they put them in the ship and they are transported. Now, if you capture a slave from Nigeria, they will ask you, is this slave an Igbo person? That is where he is telling you that Oyibo came from, or only Igbo. Do you understand? When you capture a slave, you know we black because we have almost the same skin. So because of that, they want to ask either is a Yoruba person, is an Igala person, or only Igbo, because they can sell an Igbo man more expensive than other persons. Do you understand? And from there now they started calling the white people who are always saying Onyibo, then Oyibo. Do you understand? Oyibo, we started saying Oyibo. And probably you learn a lot of things from this his book. There are a lot of things that people do not even know. The history, every place, like we have Ogidi, we have Luci, we have Onitsha, all of them will have history. You need to know about these things. And probably if you have money, I know as students you may not have money right now, but you have your savings. Some of you spend up to 200-300 naira buying snacks and all those things. Well, these are some of the books that can empower you. He asked a question, what is the reason for your existence? Are you just here, just existing? Are you just existing? You should have a purpose in life. And let me tell you, a lot of people are regretting when you are already at the age of 40. From the age of 25 years, if you play your cards very well, you should be independent. From the age of 25. You could be here, you are thinking you are still dependent on your parents. There are people who are at your age who have started paying school fees for themselves already, who have started helping themselves. It's just about trying to maximize your talents, like he rightly said. It could be you are good in writing music. It could be in Igbo hip-hop. It could be in English. Just be writing. Be writing. You could get to people who are specialists, who are professionals. They will help to edit that. They could add one or two things, and before you know it, you wax your music. There are people who have the talent to write, they cannot sing. But you could also make money from writing music. You could write drama in scenes. You could write, you could also act. A lot of things. Today you see a lot of people who are kids coming up either on Instagram, Facebook, having all the little and people who like it, they are making a lot of money. 21st century is the era where a little thing you can do, you make money from it. You just need to be directed very well. People to ask questions. And probably if you are interested, you can come up, write your name. Write your name, identify with them. No matter how you are, they will brush you. They bring out the best in you. Do not relent. Do not look down on yourself. It could be a little thing you are doing. Before you know it, you've become somebody so great. In the past, all these albinos, people always look down on them. Yes. People look down on them. Do you know they have converted into making money now? Have you seen? Look at all these people who are on Facebook trying to make content and all those. You see 12 people. They are doing things, you are laughing, they are making their money. Look at the albinos. I have seen a kid that did someone that is acting as an INEC official. So when people came up for him to, and he's now looking, he said, bring your phone. He's doing, people we are now laughing. How can somebody who could not see properly is standing as an INEC staff? But he's making money. As you are watching it, you are laughing, you are liking it, you are commenting, and he's making his money.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezeanumba the First, Metal of Ebeonadi 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebeonadi 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-65 99.
Kedu ndị bụ Nigerian Jews?